Hi guys, today is 30th of December 2023. Um we are going to finish 2023 pretty soon, 2 days later. And I think it's a good time to have a end of year review of my investing journey this year. And let's start off with a look at the market at the moment. And today is Saturday in Singapore, and the US market is closed, by the way. Let me go to my favorite website where I track the some of my favorite stocks plus the several indexes in the US. All right. If you don't understand English, it's fine. I will briefly talk about what this are all about. So this is the Dow Jones Index. Dow Jones is at 37,689 points. Uh, Pretty much the record high, I guess. Yes, pretty much the record high. If it's not, the record high is very close to the record high. And what about the Nasdaq? Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq is a little bit shy of the somewhere to go, probably like 1,000 plus points away from the record high, are recorded in end of November 2021 at 16,212 points. And let's look at the other one, the other index, which is a very popular index and very popular benchmark. A lot of fund managers use. The S&P 500 index. Yeah, it's so the peak happened in early 2022. All right, at 4,818 points, and right now today, I mean Friday, the market closed on Saturday, and the previous close on Friday was at 4,769, and this is slightly less than 50 points away from the peak recorded in early 2022, late 2021. All right. Okay, that's for the indexes, the three main indexes in the US. And let's talk about some of my favorite stocks. Are Berkshire. All right, Berkshire Hathaway, a flagship company, investment company, or insurance company managed by um, a very well-known investor, Warren Buffett. The record of Berkshire happened in late September this year, and that was at $373 per share for the B share, and right now is at 356. That is $18 or so. Yeah, roughly 17 plus or so dollars away from the record high. All right, right now it's at 356. And I'm so happy to own Berkshire Hathaway. As you can see, um, our the share price right now is a little bit off the record high, but I have full belief and faith in this well-run company, which I've been holding for some years. I still remember I started investing in Berkshire in 2018 May, and yeah, how time flies, man. Right now it's 2023 December, so I have been holding Berkshire for 5.5. I mean, yeah, more than 5.5 years already. All right, and let's look at the other one, which Markel Corp. All right, I consider Markel Corp as the baby version of Berkshire. All right, and Markel Corp share price right now is at $14.19. I mean $1,419. And the record happened in late September, $1,560. So about $140 off the record high. That's about a 10% away from the record high. And if you look at the all-time trend, uh, pretty much an uptrend, all right. And I'm also very happy to hold Markel Corp because I believe in the management. Plus, I believe in the business, and I believe Markel Corp is going to outperform the index. No, actually, I am not too sure whether the Markel Corp is going to outperform the index. I mean the S&P 500 index in the short term. But I'm happy holding Markel Corp because I understand the businesses within Markel Corp better than the rest of the companies in the S&P 500. Plus, I have been holding Markel Corp for several years, probably shorter than the period of holding Berkshire, but definitely more than 3 years. And throughout these 3 years, I learned a lot from Markel Corp, from the business perspective, and I believe in the business forward. That's why I'm still holding Markel Corp. All right. All right. Let's look at the other one. A proxy for the growth stocks is definitely ARKK. Okay, ARKK is the ticker for this the arkk ETF managed by Katie Wood. Okay, and if you look at how Katie Wood's ARKK has performed for the past several years, you can see that at one point, early 2021, it peaked at $158 per share, and right now is at $52. So a wipeout of $100 per share for a lot of investors if they happen to buy ARKK in early 2021. Okay. I don't know whether ARKK is going to perform really well going forward. But I hold no ARKK fund. Um, and I don't have the same belief and faith like I have for Markel Corp and Berkshire. So I don't own any ARKK fund. All right, and I don't think I'm going to hold ARKK fund. All right. And let's look at the other important matrix. No, metric, not matrix, metric. Okay, being a math teacher, so sometimes you confuse matrix with metrics. Yes, so let's look at another important metric, which is the US 10-year Treasury note. All right, and it's yielding at 3.881%, which means the annual yield is 3.88%. If you invest if you invest $100, you will get back $3.88 per year for 10 years. All right. So that's the US 10-year Treasury note at the moment. And a little bit of probably okay. in fact, I don't reveal a lot about my portfolio because first thing first, I don't want people to know everything about my portfolio. Number one, I don't want people to be jealous if my portfolio size is too big. Number two, I don't want people to laugh at my portfolio if my portfolio is too small. So I would rather keep my portfolio to myself, mostly. All right. But I think I can review a little bit about my portfolio. Um, the top two holdings are the Markel Corp and Berkshire. All right. They constitute, I will say, more than 50% of my portfolio. And I don't think I'm going to sell these two in the near future. And I probably will hold these two for quite some time. And I mean, for another 5 years at least. Okay. And my portfolio size right now is between 100K to $1 million. So I wish I can hit $1 million. And by the time I hit $1 million US dollars, I will share the news with the viewers of my channel, especially this channel, Stock Market Trust Talk channel. Plus, my portfolio at the moment is actually at a record high. All right, and I am pretty happy about it. And I think that is about it. And thank you for viewing. And that is a short review of 2023. And hope to see you guys next year. And hope to share with you guys some good news next year. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.